Historical POV videos are blowing up right now. People are waking up as Roman soldiers, medieval knights, and Viking warriors, all from a first-person perspective, and pulling in millions of views doing it. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make them yourself. No experience needed, and the results look genuinely cinematic. Here's what I made following this exact workflow. To get started, open ChatGPT and search for a historical POV generator. Click Start. It's going to ask you 3 simple questions. First, choose a historical era. We'll go with Renaissance. Next, choose a country or region. We'll pick Italy. Finally, choose the role you want to experience. We'll go with Royal. Hit Send, and the GPT builds your entire production package. You get 6 scenes that tell a complete story, from waking up in the morning to the final moment of the day. Each scene comes with a photorealistic image prompt written in first-person POV, plus a matching video prompt that continues naturally from that image. Now copy the first image prompt and head over to Fotor. The link is in the description. Go to the AI image generator, paste in your prompt, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, choose your highest quality setting and hit generate. That's your opening scene. Then repeat this for all 6 scenes. You'll have a complete set of images that tell one continuous historical story. Once all 6 images are ready, it's time to animate them. Head to Fotor's AI video generator. Paste in your first video prompt, upload scene 1 as your reference image. Set the duration to around 5 seconds. Set the resolution to 1080p and hit generate. Your image comes to life with realistic lighting and cinematic camera motion. Repeat the same process for each remaining scene. Once all 6 clips are done, import them into your favorite video editor. Arrange them in order on the timeline and export your final video. What you end up with is a cinematic historical POV short that feels like the viewer actually traveled back in time. All the links you need are in the description below. If this was helpful, hit subscribe. I post new AI video tutorials every week so you never miss the next viral format. See you in the next one.